What's up, everybody? I'm back. Been busy lately, but I've got a lot of reviews, a lot of videos planned back on the front for it. So today we are going to be talking about a hybrid mechanical mod from Beyond Vape. And it is their Neptune Hybrid version 2. Version 2. I did not review the version 1. I did, however, have one that I bought for a buddy of mine and shipped off, so I played with it a little bit. So a little bit of knowledge about version 1 as far as hands-on goes, and the rest of it I just kind of read up. Now, first of all, I want to elaborate on the hybrid part. Okay, the Neptune V2 hybrid is not a hybrid style mechanical mod. It is a true hybrid. You get it, and it has got a rebuildable dripping atomizer that comes with it, comes attached. It is an entire device, okay? It doesn't have one of the top caps like you may have seen recently, a lot of videos and safety posts about being careful what addy you use on a hybrid style device. You don't have to worry about that with this. And it also comes with a 510, what I call a more standard top cap. And even it has nice contacts. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So if you've heard the word hybrid style lately and seen some warnings, does not pertain to this. This is made to be a hybrid. So the version 2 Neptune hybrid, I got the black, as you can see, the black model, Neptune logo. The dripper portion of this device, really nice. They made a 3-piece design. You've got your base, which is ultimately connected and threaded onto the tube. You've got your top cap, and it is a sleeve and a 3rd piece. Call it a 3-piece design. Adjustable airflow. So it's got a 3rd piece up here with the heat fins. You can turn that and close off or open up your airflow. Go to 2 holes, go to 1 hole, partially open. All that adjustable airflow stuff, you've got it. Also comes with a drip tip. That's it there. A chrome looking, shiny, matches the button assembly here. Bottom fire, locking ring, functions very well. I'm currently using it in 18490 mode. Okay, it includes extra tubes, and you can remove them to use it with an 18650, 18490, 18350. So very flexible. And honestly, when you throw in the extra, the 510 cap, you get a lot of options out of this device. You don't have to just use it for this. You can use it with a tank if you prefer. Any old 510 threaded thing you got laying around. Now, so far, I have seen they have a stainless steel model that's, you know, that brushed stainless steel look, and then this black one. The black one is aircraft aluminum, so it's nice and light. Stainless steel, it's stainless steel color, and it's stainless steel material. So it'll probably be a little heavier than this. Now, one thing I want to talk about when you're using a rebuildable hybrid is that, you know, it's pretty standard to build on, but because the dripping atomizer section of this is made to be used in this system on these tubes, it does not have a 510 connection itself. Okay, that is the bottom of the rebuildable dripping atomizer portion. That's not going to screw onto your own meter. It's not. So that can be tough. What I highly recommend is, if you are using a device like this, please be well versed in battery safety, building practices, know the resistance of your wires you're using. I think it's best to have some pretty good experience before you go building on something that you are not able to directly test. I'll be honest with you, what I do is I wrap the coils and I secure them on a different atomizer, okay, that is attached to my ohm meter. And I test it there, and then I transfer those coils to the Neptune deck here. I highly recommend you do the same, especially when you're able to use smaller batteries, right? So just be careful and know that you can't test on this atomizer. So have another addy, an ohm meter on the side while you're building, and build, test, and then move your coils over to here. It's just something to be aware of. Whatever way you want to do it, I never recommend rebuilding without testing, ever. I do it every time. That's what I suggest. So whichever way would be easier for you, if it's easier to put it on another addy, if it's easier to get a multimeter, you know, that's actually got leads you can test with, whichever way you want to do it. But I highly suggest to be careful. Don't just wrap and ballpark it on any device, you know. Build, test, then vape. It's a nice little device. 125 bucks. Looks great. Beyond Vape's a great company. The stainless steel is 130 retail. The black aluminum here is 125. Pretty good deal. If you grab it from Beyond Vape themselves, shipping is free if you spend over 40 bucks. So if you're grabbing one of these, shipping's free from these folks. And they've always been very nice people to talk to, and I like what they're doing, bringing out some authentic devices at a lower price point. I think it's pretty cool. They're very active with fighting vaping bans. I think that's very important to support people that do that and companies that do that. I have been very happy with this hybrid. I like to run it a little smaller so it's kind of stealthy. It's been a fun little device to use. Of course, I'll have links. If this device looks like something you're into, I've got the direct link to pick it up from Beyond Vape. If you're watching this from Europe, I actually just noticed this. They do have overseas shipping options, and there's even retailers overseas. So make sure and check out beyondvape.com for all of that information. If you're not here in the States, you can probably still get this from somebody. They'll point you in the right direction. I will add, as far as Beyond Vape goes, they've got some new stuff coming out. They, I'll be honest, they sent it over to me. They said, look, you can't take any pictures or post this. No hand checks quite yet. They said I was allowed to mention it, but they've got some new stuff coming out that I'm pretty excited about. So obviously I'll post some hand checks and whatnot as soon as they let me, and then the review will be up soon about that too. Sorry, I've been away for a couple weeks, but I got a lot of stuff coming up. Thanks for checking it out. We'll see you next time.